Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberts, the Daily Trader. It is October 25th, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P 500, and also Nasdaq. So let's start with the VIX. So VIX came down pretty good today, 1.47. That's almost 5%. Closed at 28.38. So we are still continuing our way down within this downward channel right here. VIX is behaving as expected right here. Then we are going to have to encounter 27.72, which is an important support. So it's going to be interesting to see if we stabilize on that or not. But this drop in the VIX was showing us that the fear is getting out of the market a little bit. Yes, I know it's strange because we see people everywhere talking about a big depression, the worst depression ever, recession and everything, but we don't see it yet. We don't see it yet. So we might be having a little bit of a move up, which is okay. And then if it has to come down, it can come down. That's fine. Let's look at Dow Jones. So Dow Jones is continuing also in this bullish channel, nice bullish channel going on, going up very strong. It has been 3 days. We have had 3 big green candle in the past 3 days. Very strong move. And in terms of stochastic at 98, RSI also getting close to the overbought position. Almost all of the indicators are quite bullish, except the MACD. We still have the 2 lines of MACD that are not above zero, but that's the only thing here. Let's look at the SPX, the same thing, great stochastic at 98. So let's just enjoy this ride while it lasts. In terms of the MI, we don't have it for SPX yet. Nasdaq also moving good. Nasdaq is a little bit more concerning because we have a resistance that is not too far away. And we just need to be a little bit more careful with Nasdaq. So let's just enjoy this ride while it lasts. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.